Meanwhile, the Minister of Constitutional Affairs, Marlene Malahoo Ford, has accused opposition leader Mark Golding of trying to lead the process of constitutional reform. She has called for Mr. Golding to come clean and to tell the country what she calls the real reason why he has instructed his members not to sign the draft report. Details from Anthony Lugg.
It seems as if Mr. Golding wants to make the decisions without regard to the process by which the decisions are made.
Legal and Constitutional Affairs Minister Marlene Malahoo Ford hitting back at opposition leader Mark Golding hours after a PNP press briefing on Tuesday.
I believe the leader of the opposition, Mr. Mark Golding, owes it to the people of Jamaica to come clean and say why he has taken the stance he has taken.
The parliamentary opposition wants Jamaica's transition from the British monarchy to coincide with the move away from the UK-based Privy Council as the country's final appellate court, despite the government indicating that the concerns surrounding the CCJ will be addressed in phase 2 of the constitutional reform process. The opposition has not yielded.
If we cannot cooperate and collaborate on the things on which we agree, how will we do so on the things on which we disagree? I think Mr. Golding's approach is his way or the highway. I believe that his utterances and his conduct make it clear that he wants to lead the process and he wants to do it his way.
The objection raised by the opposition leader has brought into question whether a bipartisan approach to relinquishing the king as the head of state will ever materialize. For Justice Minister Delroy Chuck,
the sooner that the opposition members, under the instructions from the leader of the opposition, sign and agree, then hopefully we can move forward.
So, with the opposition taking a tough stance, the big question is, what's next?
This is a process that requires true collaboration, not lip service. I have done what I can to ensure that no issue was too sensitive to be raised in the committee or to be reported on. I believe the members of the opposition who are part of the committee have engaged in goodwill and have made a good contribution, and I believe that the recommendations have been informed by their perspective.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.